I ran into a stumbling block on my own. And I then I bought the Build Business Credit with you guys, and you said her name was Kathy, right?
Yeah, Kathy on our team, yeah.
Yeah, she found out what was wrong in 5 minutes. Literally, we went through everything. She's like, well, your Secretary of State has your name wrong. Sweetie, you're going to have to fix that. She said it's easier to fix it with them than it is with Dun & Bradstreet. So that's what I did. And then she told me, listen, I'm going to tell you something else too. Your name, all of your information for your business has to be identical everywhere, absolutely everywhere, for you to be successful. Because if it's wrong one place, that'll jack you up. I'm speaking from experience.
Sure. So you got a lot of the free training, jumped in, started to take some of the steps on your own, immediately started to run into some roadblocks, which aren't common, but very confusing roadblocks. Enrolled with us, got on the phone with one of our advisors, which is Kathy, and then what had you stumped for a while, within minutes she was able to say, this is what's wrong, and get you on the right path to correct it, sounds like.
Yeah, I was stubborn. I was really trying to do it myself, so I started re-watching your videos, and I started, I wrote out everything on those yellow notepads that you get.
Right.
And I started double-checking everything, and I really couldn't figure it out on my own. And buying your program, I inputted all my information, which is, it makes it really, it makes it truck driver proof. And all the truck drivers that watch you, they'll laugh at that. They know what I'm talking about. It makes it very simple and easy. It really does. For some of you, is it a little pricey? Perhaps. Is it worth it, though? Absolutely. Absolutely, absolutely, absolutely. It's the best money I've spent.
Well, and I'd like it, your perfect testimonial here, because, you know, a lot of people say, man, you guys put so much free information out there, I can do this on my own. And they do, until they run into the very first hiccup, which, like you said, in your stage was very early in the process. And then you get stuck, and it's a minefield. It's just really confusing of where do you go, who do you talk to, what do you do? And then at that point, it's like, who do you help? And you just kind of gave a perfect example of a scenario where you get stuck that could take you months, if not years, to be able to figure out and give up. And in one phone call, it's like, this is what's going on. Here's the right path.